The sum of two numbers is 36 and the product is 4. Find the sum of the reciprocals of the numbers. Well, let's take this phrase by phrase. First of all, we'll let the numbers be x and y. So we have variables to work with. And then let's look first of all at the last expression, the sum of the reciprocals of the numbers. Well, the reciprocals means 1 over x and 1 over y, and this would be their sum. Now what else are we told? The sum of the two numbers is 36, so we know x plus y is 36. And the product is 4, so we know x times y equals 4. Now, one approach would be to take this system of equations and solve it for x and for y. But before we do that, let's just see let's simplify this a little bit. If we have 1 over x plus 1 over y, and we get a common denominator of xy, we have, multiplying this by y over y, we have y over xy. And multiplying the second expression by x over x, we have x over xy. Then we can add those. That gives us y plus x over xy. Now those expressions look familiar. Y plus x is the same as x plus y. Well, that's 36. And x times y we know is 4. So actually, we can just simply replace y plus x with 36. Replace x times y with 4, and the sum of the reciprocals of the numbers is 9. Note that we don't know what the numbers themselves are, but we're not asked to find them. The answer would be 9.